welcome back to Kitchen Quarantine. Today we're going to make pork fried rice. Alright, so I'm going to make this two ways for you. I'm going to make it with a regular rice and also a cauliflower rice. The regular rice, please put it in the freezer after you make it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so you got your pork, your carrots, garlic, onion, ginger, your eggs, broccoli, and of course your rice and your cauliflower. I also use sesame seed oil and soy sauce. Alright, so I diced up my carrots, put those off to the side, then I'm going to take my onion and dice it up. Alright, so once you're done cutting up your onion, you're going to take your garlic and your ginger and cut them up and put them off to the side together. I decided to use broccoli in this recipe, but you can use whatever vegetables that you have lying around your fridge that you think would go really well with this. So before you're going to throw this meat in the pan, you need to season it. For mine, I decided to use red chili flakes, soy sauce, and sesame seed oil. Okay, so once your oil is nice and hot in the pan, you throw your pork in. Once you take your pork out, you put a little bit of water in the pan with the carrots because you want to steam them first. Alright, so next we're going to throw in our ginger and our garlic. We're going to do this before the onions, which I normally say never cook your garlic before your onions because it'll burn, but since there was the ginger there, it needed more time to cook. If you want to be really professional, then put the ginger in and then do the onions and then do the garlic, but that's just too much for me. Alright, so take all of your ingredients out, like your veggies and your meat that you mix together, and then put your rice in, and then you can add however much vegetables and meat that you want afterwards. So next we're going to add our cauliflower rice. If you want to know how to make this, just take a big head of cauliflower and get a cheese grater and then just go to town and just spend the next 15 to 20 minutes shredding that thing. Alright, so we're going to mix that up with some salt, seasoning, and then add our meats and veggies. This is a really great recipe because it can be keto, it can be gluten-free, meat-free, vegan, vegetarian, it can be whatever you want it to be. With every fried rice, the last thing you add is an egg. If you're vegan or vegetarian, feel free to omit this, but this is just how it usually is done. If anybody has any recipe suggestions for me, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, thanks everyone!